Top 5 Best Benchtop Planers. Number 5. Jet JWP-13BT 13-inch Benchtop Planer. The Jet JWP-13BT is built with a helical-style cutter head that features 6 rows of 26 individual quick-change HSS inserts, ensuring a smoother and quieter cut. This design not only reduces noise but also extends the life of the cutter head, since the individual inserts can be easily rotated or replaced as needed. The precision-machined cast iron bed and steel cover assist in keeping boards flat, while also minimizing the chances of snipe. Jet's 4-post design offers maximum control and support for the cutter head, making this planer one of the most stable options on the market. Powered by a robust 2-horsepower, 15-amp motor, the cutter head spins at 10,000 RPM, providing enough power to handle even the toughest wood. This planer also includes adjustable folding infeed and outfeed tables, which help level the workpiece and reduce space when stored. The Jet JWP-13BT offers a maximum depth of cut of 1/8 inch, with a thickness capacity of up to 6 inches and a width capacity of 13 inches. It also comes with an adjustable depth stop, which ensures consistent and repetitive cuts, making it an ideal tool for woodworkers seeking precision and efficiency. Coming in number 4. Vevor Power Benchtop Planers. The Vevor Power Benchtop Planer is designed for precision with a 13-inch worktable that can plane boards up to 6 inches thick and 13 inches wide. Its easily adjustable tables and extensions ensure that your workpiece remains coplanar, providing 35 inches of total length for long stock support. The precision-machined cast iron bed and steel plate assist in keeping boards flat, allowing you to achieve smooth, accurate cuts. This planer features a high-precision 3-knife cutter head made from solid steel, which provides consistent performance and long life, especially after undergoing quenching and hardening. With 2 speed settings, 24 f per meter and 15 f per meter, you can control how fast you cut based on your needs, optimizing for quick material removal or a fine finish with minimal tear out. It also has a built-in 20-amp overcurrent protector that automatically cuts off power if the current exceeds safe limits, ensuring safety during operation. The powerful 2000 watts motor operates at 23,500 RPM, providing one of the finest finishes among benchtop planers. For dust control, the Vevor comes with a vacuum port, ensuring low dust planing and a cleaner work environment. The chip ejection system can be connected to a vacuum cleaner, efficiently expelling chips away from the cutter head. Coming in number 3. Wen PL1326 Spiral Benchtop Thickness Planer. The Wen PL1326 takes planing to another level with its spiral cutter head that features 26 staggered and rotatable HSS blades. This unique design ensures a smooth, clean finish on both hard and soft woods. Equipped with a 15-amp motor that generates 10,000 RPM, it achieves a feed rate of 26 feet per minute, allowing for efficient material removal. It can handle boards up to 13 inches wide and 6 inches thick, making it versatile for a variety of woodworking projects. One of the strengths of the Wen PL1326 is its onboard material removal gauge, which provides users with real-time feedback on the depth of each cut. The heavy-duty cast iron base ensures stability, reducing wobble during operation. Additionally, the depth adjustment knob allows for fine-tuning, offering control over the amount of material removed, anywhere from 0 to 1/8 of an inch per pass. The adjustable dust port keeps your workspace clean by efficiently removing chips and sawdust. With height-adjustable infeed and outfeed tables, this planer helps minimize snipe and provides extra support during planing. Overall, it's a reliable and sturdy machine backed by Wen's nationwide service network. Coming in number 2. Dewalt DW734 Benchtop Planer. With a powerful 15-amp motor that reaches 20,000 RPM, the Dewalt DW734 is perfect for handling deeper cuts, even in hardwoods. It features a 3-knife cutter head that provides a cutter head speed of 10,000 RPM, resulting in 96 cuts per inch, one of the finest finishes you can find in a portable planer. The disposable, reversible knives add to its practicality, offering 30% more knife life while making the knife change process quick and easy. One of the standout features of the DW734 is its 4-column carriage lock, which minimizes movement and reduces the risk of snipe. The extra-long infeed and outfeed tables provide 33.5 inches of material support, making it easier to handle larger pieces. For accuracy, this planer includes a material removal gauge and an extra-large thickness scale, ensuring precise cuts with each pass. Additionally, the turret depth stop allows users to return to their most frequently used depths quickly, adding to the overall convenience of this machine. Coming in number 1. Craftsman CMEW320 Benchtop Planers. The Craftsman CMEW320 is a powerhouse for both hard and soft wood material removal, thanks to its 15-amp motor. It's built for maximum stock removal with a Poly V cutter head drive, allowing you to tackle larger jobs effortlessly. Its 2-knife, quick-change solid steel cutter head, mounted on ball bearings, ensures a smooth operation with long-lasting durability. For woodworkers seeking longevity in their equipment, the high-carbon steel, double-edged reversible knives extend the cutting life significantly. In addition to its performance, this planer also helps maintain a clean workspace. It comes with a vacuum port for dust collection, which is essential for preventing sawdust buildup and keeping your workshop tidy. The Craftsman CMEW320 is a solid choice for both hobbyists and professionals who need a robust, reliable tool for precision work.